Hi there. In this video we will present an overview of Section 4 of Design Tech 301.
And I'll be taking notes. It might be a good idea if you do too.
You will get to make a few drawings from 3 different industries. These will include mechanical, landscape, and architectural drawings. You'll draw the shapes and then apply to a new thing. You'll import a new layout that has an appropriate title block on it. Then you'll apply appropriate layers and add industry standard dim styles and text styles. In doing all of this, you will apply what you have already learned as you make new and more complex drawings. Drawing the shapes will require all of the drawing and editing tools that you have been practicing. But in many of these drawings, you'll also make orthographic views. That means that the views have to line up right and that all of the lines need to be drawn accurately and precisely. In general, there is one basic workflow to follow. First, set up your workspace and then draw the shapes in model space. Here it will be important to set your units so that AutoCAD knows you are working in decimal or architectural units. Once the shapes are drawn, you will add the appropriate layout by importing it from the Design Center and creating a proper viewport to view your shapes. Finally, once the layout is set, you'll add dimensions and annotations to the layout by writing in paper space.
Cool. Let me summarize from my notes. We are going to create drawings from mechanical, landscape, and architectural industries. In each case, we'll make the shapes in model space, then add a layout using the Design Center, and finally we'll add dimensions and annotations onto the layout in paper space. Is that it?
Yes. You've got it. And there will be a small amount of work in the collaboration portion of this section so that you can practice recognizing industry standard drawings. And please note that the demo videos may start getting a little less complete. You should be able to figure out how to draw many of the shapes by now. But where there are new skills being taught, you'll get full step-by-step instructions.
All right. And I'll be sure to contact Professor Schuster if I run into any problems early on. Those one-on-one sessions really help when I'm stuck.